story. You see that story here? That story here developing now. Because it look like that youth here, Jahshii, look like I'm body in one of them for Jahshii. Because the other day, me hear say, one dad man in a Grand Spen must see boxing mother. And me hear say, the Dan get turned over. Me see them come on social media cry high water, crocodile tears, from what I heard. And here we go. It's been reported that the dancehall artist known as Jahshii and 6 of his friends were traveling from a party, and a boy them shoot up the convoy with Jahshii. Unfortunately, but fortunately it said that Jahshii didn't get done. It's being reported 6 people said to have been from the entourage of Jamaican dancehall artist Jahshii were shot at and injured by a gunman in Constant Spring Road, St. Andrew, Jamaica, early Friday, July 7, 2023. The Jamaican Constable Force said that artists managed to escape without injuries. Reports are that about 4:30 a.m., the entertainer and a group of men left a well-known nightclub on Constant Spring Road where they were attacked by thugs traveling on a motorcycle. A senior police officer told the Deep Roots TV that the vehicle in which the artist was traveling and the members of the group were traveling were shot up by armed thugs who later fled the scene. 6 members of the group were wounded and were rushed to the hospital for treatment. The incident has been confirmed by head of the St. Andrew Central Police Division, Senior Superintendent Marlon Nesbeth. The police also reported that the incident caused major traffic delay in the area. The scene has since been cleared and the road now free for motorists to travel. So, what you know say? What you know say? Where you know say? So, where you know say now, say, and are the same people them where it's being said that Jahshii them done. You see it? The mother them see all kind of thing, you know. Cause them no want no more people dead, you know. You understand? Them no want no more people dead. And them same one a cause a crime. Them same one a cause a crime, my family. I mean not lie. So Jahshii, I want to give you some advice in a youth. You need to stop it. Whatever I make so much idiot thing come around you, you need to stop it. As it seems like you and Skeng fall out. Seem like you and Silk Boss did have a look riff. Now we are here, sir. Man a Grand Speng drop out. After you go talk to him, police brought you in, release you with nothing. You know, see a vigilante justice Jamaica use to solve them situation. So me I suggest you remove yourself from a situation. Because if the man them know say you hurt strong and roll up and light up the convoy, hey, them a show you say, yo, they aiming after you. We are come after you. So you go and play like you're a fool. These dancehall artists, As them get a little money, it seem like them life them want done. No need face stay away from the idiotness. As you get a money, no want bad man round no. I don't want buy up weapon. I don't want go on bad. If you cannot move your mother when you want to, you not make no money. And if you can't go middle day, you're not bad. Remember that. You're not bad. A bad man don't care about jail or death. You are going to take. When you forget what you forget, you are going to get. Because remember, when the Most High fall rain, what if you get wet, I go get wet. So uno can run up and down and go like uno bad. And hide behind uno social media thing for internet. But guess what? Uno fi know. One thing Jamaicans never do nothing wrong. Criminals never do nothing wrong. And the mothers them, uno never do nothing wrong. Uno youths them never do nothing wrong. But remember, it seem like a peer crew and gang. Peer crew and gang. I run Jam 1. I'm asking you, remember, one life you don't have to live, not 3. I want to talk about 3 pints enough. 1 pint me have. So I keep it royal. Yeah, try to live it normal. Want big up all my people them in Portmore right now. Portmore pints and them place to big up my Uncle Vin. Yeah, big up Cookie. Yeah, you know how we there. Rice stand big up yourself, you Agante. Yeah, want big up all the people them from Firehouse, Waterhouse and all them place there. I know I say a real house. Yeah. Portmore, I'm like all environment to improve. But the people them have to know say. Depend in news too much for the wrong lose. Jahshii, I suggest you get some licensed security around you in a yard. Cause you have to use sleep mark that. Cause although you have your umbrella, remember, you still can get wet. I have another news here where I want to touch upon to family and friends because sometimes,